Hello and welcome to the channel, and today this is the first of the roof cleans that I've got to do this year. I'm working with Sam, my brother, and we're going to be using the GVS roof scraper, and we're also going to be using the Streamline roof scraper. So if we have a look at the roof, we can see that it is a man-made slate. So we've got the two plastic scraper blades on here. Now the thing with the man-made slates is we're not going to biocide them because it can really affect the colour of them and turn them quite white. So this is literally just a roof scrape today, so we'll get cracking on this and see how we get on.
What do you think of the Streamline scraper, Dave?
It's really nice and light, quite flexible, but ever so light in your hands. And I thought you'd need a bit of weight to actually scrape, but on these tiles it's working really well.
So your setup is
So I've got the over 8 high mod pole, which is my old over 8 high mod, and then I've got the Streamline scraper, which just fits on with the quick lock fitting onto the pole, the same as the brushes do. And
that's really easy.
To change the blades, all you need to do is undo the little thumb screw there, and the whole blade drops out. Drop your next blade in and do the thumb screw up, and away you go. So ever such a nice, quick, light and very reasonably priced roof scraping setup.
Very good. And what else we got on the scaffold?
So we've also got on the scaffold our Panther for sucking out the gutters and any loose moss off the roof. So we've also got a roofscraper.co.uk wire brush on the phantom pole, and we've also got, because we haven't got the wire brushes for the GVS, we've also got the GVS roof scraper, again working really nicely, and got the quick lock fitting on it, so very easy to change the blades if you have got the wire brush or the nylon brushes that they do. I think the nylon brush from GVS would be really good on this for going over the man-made slate. So great setup on the phantom pole. And then we've just also got a wide Streamline brush that we're using just to sweep off the roof once it's all been scraped. The wire brush we're just using to brush down the ridge to get any loose bits of moss off the ridge.
Excellent.
That's the other side of the big roof that we've just done. So that section, just as far as that velux there and there, just that little bit there needs doing. And then up in that valley just there, and just cleaning out that valley there, that needs doing. And then round here we've got this single story bit here and just that little section there. So not too bad at all. This is day 2 of the roof scrape. Took a bit longer than we expected. I think it was all the moving the tower around, and this moss seems to be really welded onto the slate really hard. So we're going to carry on with this low section. It's hard to show you with the sun just behind me. The low section there, and we shouldn't be too long today. Just finishing off a few bits and pieces. We'll see how we get on today. We did that section there yesterday, and probably just over halfway along here. That's that roof there done, and that valley all cleaned out. That valley there is all cleaned out. There's a bit of damage on the up the valley that they're going to need to repair. That roof there and the valley and right up to the top of that ridge, that's all been done. And that roof there and the bit up the top there all cleaned out, tidied up, ready to go home. Scaffold's loaded, so let's go.